The young and foolish laugh at love and slowly run away.
Where you find this at?
Confident and
Mixtape
sure at
101,
fate.
fool.
This one, baby.
Never love that way. But ask the lonely how vainly a heart can yearn for losing a love that will never return. Just ask the lonely. They'll tell you.
Dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, can't dodge the rain. Man, can't dodge the rain, can't dodge the rain.
They got my mind toe up, make me wanna pull up. All this pain in my life, won't these niggas grow up? Baby mama drama, same shit, just a different day. Tryna set a nigga up so they wanna gunplay. So what should a nigga do? But be true, I see these niggas walk around like they bulletproof. My whole world messed up, but I drown it out with liquor. I'm gon' get them, I got trenches that's gon' hit them till they gon' feel like that I'm trapped in this hellhole. I get the looking for my nigga, but most of them turn foes. So switch on the niggas so they grow cold. They say they dead, but them niggas so far gone. And they wonder why niggas straight right alone. I keep my chrome, they gave my life over to the holy source. Please keep a nigga strong. This nigga's on board tryna send a nigga home. Forget them for doing wrong.
Dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life
Hey,
can't dodge the
trapped up,
rain.
bottled up inside until the day you made me cry. I had an angel sent down to me. He was placed in my womb, you see. It was back in 2010 when I met my best friend, but I brought him in this world of sin. July 3rd is when it all begun, cause that's the day I lost my son. I was trapped up in a hellhole. The devil tried to take control. I sat back with a bottle of pills, was ready to take my life for real. But God reached out and he sang to me to take my life would be the end for me. I wanna make it in his home and I can't go wrong, cause after the rain there'll be no more pain.
Can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life
It's been a
can't
long
dodge the
time
rain.
coming. Just know you at the cemetery knowing that you buried. With tears coming down my eyes, you know I can't stand it. But gotta keep my head up, be a man and face it. Wish that I could turn back the hands of time. Remember when we hit the PJ, the straight grind. And niggas used to hate us because we straight ride. And bitches used to love us because we kept a shine. Remember when we hit the south side and copped that 9? We didn't give a fuck about a murder crime. Who ready to die? On me, all the years I tried to get over the pain, but it's stuck inside. And it's trapped inside my brain, cause I'm going out insane. Cause I can't stand the pain, migraines every day. No cops, they done kill my nigga. All them bitches gon' pray, losing my nigga, man. Go out some liquor.
Can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah, my life can't dodge the rain, but you can follow the rain. Oh yeah.
love that way.